The following video will demonstrate the importance of keeping your I-100 injector clean and free from resin. Typically, during this time of year, we get a number of calls from technicians who have cured their injector. This can be prevented by following the proper cleaning techniques demonstrated in this video. The cleaning process is really quite simple, but must be performed properly and consistently. Separate the piston from the cylinder immediately after use and lock the piston in the vacuum position. A fully functioning I-100 injector should slide back and forth smoothly and evenly with ease. Rinse both parts thoroughly. Remove the parts from the denatured alcohol and set the piston back into the pressure position. Rinse the parts thoroughly once again. Blow dry or wipe dry with a paper towel. Store the piston and cylinder separately in your Delta Kit's toolbox with the piston in the pressure position. Be sure to keep the lid closed to reduce UV exposure. Failure to properly clean your injector voids the lifetime warranty, so please take the extra 2 minutes to thoroughly clean your injector after each repair performed. With proper maintenance, your Delta Kit's injector will last a lifetime. An injector can become cured when resin residue is left inside and then exposed to UV light, which hardens the resin. This essentially bonds the injector together, not allowing it to slide back and forth. The following is an example of an injector that has been partially cured. It is no longer fully functional as it cannot be pulled up into a vacuum cycle. It is no longer able to do a proper repair. Here is an example of an injector that has been fully cured and cannot move at all. One more time, an injector that is fully cured and 100% inoperable. Here is an injector where somebody has attempted to fix the problem themselves. They have taken extreme heat to this via a blowtorch and have damaged the injector. Do not attempt to heat your injector to get it unstuck. This voids the warranty and damages the injector. This injector was pried on with pliers and a vise to try to get it unstuck. As you can see, it is now bent and inoperable. This voids the warranty. Again, do not pry with pliers. This voids the warranty. Again, here is an example of a fully functional I-100 injector. Notice the smooth operation from the pressure and vacuum cycles. In the event that your injector becomes cured, do not attempt to take them apart yourself. Contact Delta Kits, as we have a policy